there she is. She had great reviews. Several YouTubers loaded their reviews on it. I bought it a year ago, put a tarp on it and put it underneath my steps and forgot all about it. About a year later, maybe a little longer than a year, I went out and got some gasoline, got some oil. It was pretty self-explanatory in the instructions and the YouTube video that they put out. I add the oil down there, put the gasoline up there to 4 gallons. And I was really surprised actually, because it started up like bam, a snap of a finger. So you figure it's been through the snow, it's been through the rain, you know, it had a tarp on it and everything. Looks like it's gotten a little rusting, just not being used. So there and there. But I'll fire it up for you if I can hold the iPhone at the same time. Check it out. So you just turn it on and you turn the gas on. You make sure the choke is off, and then you